YouTube world, what's going on? Daryl Jones back with another video for y'all today. And we're in the kitchen again, as you can see. Today, I'm gonna make something easy, simple, anybody could do it, easy recipes. All right, it's gonna be a chicken sandwich. We're gonna make it on the stove. It's gonna be quick, and we're gonna get right to it. All right, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so here we go. We're about to get things started. So let me show y'all everything that y'all gonna need. Of course, we're gonna need the chicken breast. All right, all you need is one. Now, if you wanna make two sandwiches, you could, but you can actually make two sandwiches out of it, and I'll show y'all when we get to it. All right, so now we got the onions, we got the ketchup, hot sauce, mustard. Now, you could use either one. You don't have to use all three. I'm not recommending that, to be honest with you, because I don't like the taste of all three of ingredients in one. All right, and now we got the tomato, we got the cucumbers, we got the bag of lettuce, we got, what is this, guacamole. Now you could substitute this in place of mayonnaise, and plus it's a healthier fat. All right, and now we got the buns. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna butterfly this chicken. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, so it will make the chicken cook easier and faster. All right, so stay tuned with that, and we're gonna get going. All right, y'all. So what we got a chicken breast right here. All right, and next what we're gonna do, we're just gonna butterfly it. All right, gonna butterfly it. But when you butterfly the chicken, don't cut it through all the way. Remember, you want one single piece, just one. All right, and here you have it. Boom. One chicken breast. So it's flat. It'll be easier to cook. All right, so I already got the pot ready to go. I got the seasoning next. I'm gonna show you what seasonings I'm gonna use, and then we're just gonna throw it right on the stove. All right, so now the chicken is butterflied, and I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, seasoning. You can't forget the seasoning. Now you could use salt, pepper, and that's it, but I'm gonna use this. It's a chicken rub. I've used this on other things other than chicken too, but it's a good way to just spice it up a little bit. And you know, you're gonna sprinkle that on both sides. All right, now don't touch the chicken and then put your hand back in your seasonings. All right, boom. Just dress that really good. And like I told you, the stove right now is getting hot. So yes, I'm touching this with my right hand. I'm about to switch. Let that marinate in there a little bit. Close the chicken. Open it back up. Then you flip the chicken. And now you switch hands. There you go. And then you use the same hand to rub that in. See, quick and simple. And our chicken is seasoned. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead, throw this in the stove, and hear that sizzle. All right, y'all, so here we go. Here we have it. The pot is ready. Should be hot enough. Hopefully it will sizzle for y'all. If not, it still works. So we got the chicken prepped. Let's hear it. Let's see. Ah, nice. Okay. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get everything else prepped up. Now, a little note, don't cook this too high because it'll cook the chicken too fast, and sometimes the chicken won't be cooked inside. All right, so put it on medium at least. You want to flip it for the next, well, you want to flip it at least on the third minute. All right, 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get everything else set up for y'all while the chicken. All right, y'all. So now we're going to get everything else prepared. Now it may sound crazy, or simple, but you got to make sure when you're preparing chicken on a cutting board or any kind of surface, clean it before you do anything else. You do not want to cross-contaminate, and then you get sick. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take the onions, and I've had this onion in the fridge for about a week. You can still use it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to even this up a little bit. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut one thick slice. Just like this. Now you could cook this in the stove just to get a little bit more caramelized, and it's your preference, or you could eat it raw. What I'm going to do, I'll probably go ahead and take a few of these off, and that'll be my onion. It's a little thick piece of an onion, or you could always half it. There you go. All right, so there goes my onions. Then we'll take the tomato, do the same thing. Oh, I hate cutting tomatoes because for some reason, I don't know how the hell they do it on TV, but I could never get a clean cut. Tomato, I'm gonna use one thick slice. Boom, tomato. All right, cucumbers. Now, certain things in your fridge you may want to throw away, but if you got like extra meat in your freezer, you don't got to throw it away until you actually cook the meat, and you could use it for a sandwich. And I'll use about 3 slices of cucumber. See? All right, 3 slices of cucumber. And then the lettuce, I'll just open that up before I plate. And the chicken is almost done cooking. So I'll see y'all in a few and we'll get everything set up. But here's what we got. See, I'm not even gonna throw this onion away yet. It's still good. And when I'm getting ready to plate, I'm gonna use the fresh onions, tomatoes, and the cucumbers. And there we have it. All right, I see y'all. Look at that chicken, y'all. You gotta be patient with the chicken. I underestimated this piece of chicken breast. I thought it was a little bit thinner even when I butterflied it, but it's okay. I'm gonna wait. And me personally, I know they say don't overcook it, but I would rather overcook chicken and it be a little tough than eating undercooked chicken. So the chicken is almost done. We're gonna get ready to plate soon, but I just wanted to show y'all that process. Look at that golden brown crust that it's creating. I know y'all hungry. Hey, this might be better than a McDonald's sandwich. I don't know yet. Possibly. Y'all, I think I outdid myself on this one for y'all. Looks like I may have to start doing more cooking videos, so my food might actually end up looking good. Look at that chicken though. Damn. Can y'all see that? And I had to cheat a little bit just to make sure it was cooked, because I can't plate this and then eat it and get sick. But look at that. See, the chicken was a little bit thicker than I thought. All right, so now it's time to plate. Now you see this little piece that's hanging off? I'm weird like this. I'm a little bit OCD. I like the meats, the burgers that fit the bun. So what I'm gonna do with this small piece right here, I'm just gonna cut it off, and I could save that for a little piece later. And then we got the whole chicken breast right here, the other half. So we're gonna plate. So we got our buns. All right. Gonna put the chicken on. Let's see what we're gonna do first. Let's go with, what order? Let's go with tomatoes. Then we go the onions. And then we'll do the cucumbers. Might slide off a little bit. And then we'll do the lettuce. I don't even know if all of this would fit, but I'm just gonna throw it on there. It's all right if some falls off. It's okay. Come on. Stay. There we go. All right, so what did I do with my guacamole? Again, I said this is optional, but I'll do it. I'll go ahead and do it for y'all. If you want another version of instead of mayo, you could do a healthier fat. Go the avocado route. I'll take the back side of it. You don't have to use the whole thing. Put it on the other side of the bun and just throw it on there. See? Easy. Come on. And here's my favorite thing to do now. Y'all don't have to do it my way, but just like a sandwich in the store, I don't care. I'm putting ketchup. I'm gonna let that drizzle on there for y'all. Throw some ketchup on there. And I'm gonna do some mustard. Watch this. Come on. There we go. And then we're gonna top this off. All right. Like so. And there we have it. Let's do this. Let's take this another step further. I'm gonna cut this for y'all like how they do in the restaurants. Guarantee you it's gonna fall apart. Man, half my ketchup and everything fell, but this is for y'all. Look at this. Ooh. Can y'all see that? Presentation is the key. Look at that. Now that's beautiful. That's a beautiful sandwich right there. All right. Well, that was it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to kill this. And this is not even dinner yet. But look at that. I don't even want to eat that because look at that presentation. Man. All right, but yeah, that was it. Hope y'all liked it. Hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you think. If you got some recipes, hey, give it a shot. All right, I'll see y'all next time.